Yeah, it was a perfect race for me. Like, it was quite hard from the beginning, and that was really good for me because I had great legs all the way through. It was quite exciting with the weather getting bad at the last few laps, and yeah, I'm just really happy that I got the win in the end. Yeah, it means a whole lot because I've been bike riding since I was a little kid, dreaming about winning big championships, and for me, U23 is a quite nice step to win my first. Jeg vil bare gerne sige tak til staff og alle dem, der har været med på turen. Det har været super fantastisk at være sammen med jer her. Og tak til min træner Martin, der har simpelthen været fantastisk til at hjælpe mig igennem både skole og træning. Tusind tak.